This is lesson 66, factoring trinomials. Particularly difference of squares. So we're talking about factoring, which is breaking things apart. We used Xbox, okay? But sometimes, now you could use Xbox for what we're going to do today, but sometimes there's a shortcut where you don't have to do all that. If you see a pattern, right? So remember before I taught you, like if we had the pattern looked like this, A plus B times A minus B. Remember this like a month ago? I said, hey, look, there's a plus and there's a minus here, so we just take A squared, just write it down, B squared. We put a minus sign in the middle. Remember that from a month ago? Okay, so today we're going to go backwards, okay? If we see this at the beginning, then we need to know how to break it apart because we see the pattern. Does that make sense? Okay? So we're going to continue on here. Here are the steps. If you're in the video, you could pause and write them down. Okay. All right. Here we go, number 1. All right. 9x squared minus 4. So check this out. If you wanted to do Xbox, you could. What's A equal to?
B. Oh, wait, what?
What's A equal to? B is equal to, is there a B? No, there isn't. So we put B is equal to 0, C is equal to?
4.
Negative 4. No, because B is the one with X. Are there anything 0 times X? 0x? So you could do Xbox, okay? But let me show you the trick. So if you see that there is no B or B is equal to 0, then and there's a negative sign here, and if this is a perfect square and this is a perfect square, watch what you do. 3x, so you're going to take 2 parentheses. This is what you do. Square root of 9x squared is 3x. So you can put 3x here and 3x here. Square root of 4 now is 2. So you put a 2 here, put a 2 here, and then watch what you do. You put a plus sign here and a minus sign here. Guys, you weren't watching. Robert, Fernando. Okay, again, how did I do this? Guys, you need to focus. Okay, so what's the square root of 9x squared? Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of x squared is x. So you're going to write 3x here and 3x here. Did you all see that? Yeah. Then square root of 4 is 2. So you're going to put 2 and 2 here. And then all you do is put a plus sign and the minus sign. That's it. Okay? You see how easy that was? Yeah, you just take square root of each one and that's it. Okay, watch me do number 2. Look at these big numbers, right? A is equal to 49. Is there a B? No. C? Negative 144. Okay, normally you would do an Xbox, but what did you notice? This is a perfect square and this is a perfect square. What's the square root of 49? 7. So you could put a 7 here. And here, square root of n squared is n, of course. We don't want to forget that. So it's 7n. Square root of 144 is 12. Negative and positive, and that's it. Okay? Was that hard? No. Could you have done Xbox?
Yes.
Yes, but what's 49 times 144? What's 49 times 144? A times C. Wouldn't that have been a problem? Remember when we were doing Xbox last week?
Super big.
We'd have 49, 49. Right? We'd have some pretty big numbers, right? A times C. 49 times 144. I don't even want to do that. Right? That seems nasty. So I'm not going to do that. Alright, so instead, I'm not going to do that and use my shortcut, okay? Anyways, that's the lesson for today. So why don't you turn to your neighbor, 1 tell 2 is about number. Alright, let's do a few more of these together. Here we go, number 3. Shh. What's A equal to? 9. No. Yeah, A is equal to 9. B is equal to?
0.
C is equal to?
Negative 25.
Shh. Okay, please end your conversations. Okay, what are you noticing about A? And, well, first thing, is there a B?
No.
No, so that's a hint. What do you notice about A and C? They're both perfect squares, right? So what's the square root of 9b squared? 3 what? 3b. So you're going to write 3b here and 3b here. We're doing this one together, by the way, right? What's the square root of 25?
5.
5.
Plus 5 minus 5.
Okay, that's it. I'm done, right? See how easy that was?
That's 3b.
Next one. Number 4. What's A equal to? B? C? Is there a B? No. So that's your hint. Are A and C perfect squares? Yeah, they are. Okay, what's the square root of A? 11 what? 11k, good. So we're going to write 11k twice. What's the square root of 36? 6. Last step, everyone.
Plus and minus.
Put a plus and then a minus. Right? That's it. You writing this down, Mitchell? You haven't seen you do much for the last 3 minutes. Okay. Tonight will be only these kinds of problems with a mixture of other ones. Okay, I got to finish this because my battery's running low. Okay, so shh, quiet. Next one, number 5. Okay, number 5. What's A? A is 9. Shh. B? C?
16.
Good. Okay, what's something that's different about this problem?
It's positive.
There's a plus sign. So since there's a plus sign here, can I use that trick? No, we can't. So when this happens, we would say this is not factorable, and it really isn't.
Wait, so every time there's a plus?
Yeah. No, it's not. It's actually not. There's no minus sign in the middle. So
there's always supposed to be a minus sign there.
Yep.
But it would still be
No, it's still factored.
3a plus 4 squared.
No, because you would need.
Nope. 3a plus 4 squared. Do this side problem. Tell what you get. You would get 9a. 9a squared plus. Can you guys quiet down? Plus 24a plus 16. That's a totally different answer. Okay. So this is non-factorable. So 6 is also non-factorable. Okay. So that's the. I wanted to show you that. Yes.
Will there ever be like b? Because it's always 0.
But then we'd have to use the Xbox.
Xbox.
Oh.
Yep, there is a B. We've been working with the problems with B. I was just trying to show you this lesson is all about a shortcut that works sometimes. It only works when A is squared, B is squared, and there's a minus sign in the middle. Okay, that's it. That concludes our lesson for today.